Glass Box by Rafael Pinoti Arquitetura in Birigui, Brazil. In the highest condominium in the city of Birigui, in a portion on the lowest level, with an active level we contemplate the beautiful skyline of the city of Araçatuba. And so we implemented a glass box. On a plot of 308 square meters and its triangular design, we chose to favor its main facade to the north, and its isolated location to encourage contemplation of the horizon. We created a glass box, loose on two simple structures, where walking in its intimate areas awakens the experience and sensation of a floating walkway towards the horizon. With insulation and ventilation studies, we developed the volume with its frontal projection to the north, taking results on the edge of the project, making its back project internal privacy, favoring working on its facade with a pure glass installation, being controlled only with the vertical curtain element, thus while walking, being able to explore the expansion of the natural landscape, with the lightness of its metallic structure. Its main entrance is located at the upper end of the land, directing the user to pass outside the volume, passing under the 12 span of the upper projection. The project is developed with 2 floors. The lower one has the entire social area of the house and services, where the projection of the upper volume is the nucleus that unites the spaces, making the structure as if it were a metal marquee housing everyone on the axis of the building. Batch. The masonry body separates the services part, providing access to support the living area, creating a sector where the transition is hidden throughout the house. We access the upper floor via a staircase made of folded sheet metal, which has no contact with its base, made of masonry in the shape of a grandstand and referring to the transition from concrete to steel, according to the execution of the project. On the upper floor, we have the intimate areas of the suite and master suite, being interconnected by a circulation to a glass facade, awakening the feeling of expansion as you walk along the horizon. The masonry body of the lower level created a walkway where we named the open square, showing the variation and human perceptions of the gaps interconnected by different levels of the project.